So I'd love to demonstrate why back-tilting screen could be very important when using Sony's excellent touch to rack focus functionality. Without this back focusing, you cannot use your thumb to perform this operation. So when you have a left protruding screen, you should use either your left hand, but definitely you cannot use your right hand for touch operation. The way I can use it, when I grab the camera like so, I grab the camera and also still having more or less firmly grabbing the right hand part, I have the thumb to fully operate the camera. The left hand is always under the lens to operate the zoom button or any other button that are on the lens. So the left hand is for the lens operation. And then here I can use my right hand thumb to change the focus. As you have seen, in Sony cameras there is a brilliant spot focus function, touch to spot focus. That is when you touch the screen, then the focus smoothly, without any wiggling or jittering, moves back and forth of these subjects. And this is handheld, of course, and because this is really a gentle tap with the right hand thumb, then normally it doesn't produce any shake in the camera other than the regular shake with handheld videography. If I want to get rid of this spot focus, there is two options: either to cancel with this button here, or just press this center button like so. So again, back to the lady, then to the background, and then turning off touch focus, it smoothly comes back to the foreground. So that's the way I can use the right hand thumb to control rack focus in a handheld position. Of course, the operation is a lot smoother when the camera is placed on mounted on a tripod, but anyway, so this should work sufficiently well. Of course, in this demonstration, because I'm recording this video with my mobile phone, I held the camera not in a real good position. This is my power zoom 28 to 135 millimeters f4 lens on Sony A7III, and what I'm demonstrating here is how to use right hand thumb to control the focus point. This is a handheld shooting position, so I now racking focus back to the back, the jar with the figure. I just use the spot focus technique and back to the front, and now back, front, and now I am disabling back to the jar, and now I press the center button, or I also can cancel this focus pulling, and then the focus is automatically and nicely, smoothly transitioned from the back to the foreground lady. Again, I'm just touching the back with the right hand thumb. Spot focus is blinking. The focus is established. Now I'm touching the lady in the foreground. Focus is established. Back to the background. And now I'm cancelling with touching a small finger X. And then after some time the focus is automatically shifted smoothly without any hassle to the foreground.